So in this video we're going to show what's called the couch stretch. The stretch is very beneficial and useful for someone that is sitting all day long, needs to get up, and they feel very tight either in their low back or even in their hips. So how we set this up is we have something of a height right here. We call it a couch because we can use a couch, the height of a couch, and the pad itself to put our foot rested on it, on the back foot. So how this works, if we're going to focus on the right hip right now, you're going to be facing away from the couch. As you notice, I've got a pad underneath my knee because it's more comfortable. And so you get the setup here where you're relatively upright, your right ankle is resting on the couch, your knee is relatively straight down to the ground, and all you're going to do from here, there's a few progressions with this. You can just breathe in, breathe in, and that's just really filling that stretch, or lean into a forward progression. We're not going to arch our back to get there. We're just translating our body forward. You'll feel that stretch. If you want to progress it even further, the next step would be to take the arm up, always keeping this tight the whole time, and you'll feel it in the hip flexor muscles, and then again here. With planes of movement, you have multiple directions that you can move. When we're going straight forward, that is the sagittal plane. If we want to hit the frontal plane, which is the one that basically cuts our body in half this way, we're going to open up to the side and really pull. There. If we want to hit the transverse plane, we throw in a rotation. All three of those can be done in progression, but you're going to find what works best for you in the starting point that you need to start at. So we'll have Nicole show us next, and I'll give it a shot. All right. So she is in the position. She's got her right foot and ankle resting on the couch behind her. The knee is on a pad. That thigh is relatively straight or vertical with the ground, and then the left foot and ankle are in a good, basically 90-degree position of each other. So she's going to move herself forward, translating her body forward. She'll begin to feel that stretch in the front of her thigh at the top, and then she'll come back, and then she'll go forward again. Okay? And then she'll come back, and then she'll go forward again. Now she's going to progress it to step 2, basically. Will be to go arm up overhead and then stretch forward again. And back, and forward. Or you can make it a bit of a movement by taking your arm up every time you go forward. There, and then go back. Forward. One more. Okay. From there, she's going to hit the frontal plane by taking that arm up and over to her left, and then lean forward. Okay. We can do that little bit of a change there, and then she's going to do that again. Arm up, over to the left, and translate the hip forward. Perfect. And then for the transverse, she'll start with her arm down low. As she translates her hip forward, she'll turn and rotate to the left. Now she's taking it stepwise where I just went. So she's going to start with her arm down low, and then she's going to rotate her spine and that arm up and away as she twists that. Yep, perfect. Okay. Now, Nicole, where is it that you feel it at?
Front, hip flexor area, as well as your quads.
Yep. Cool. Let me show you a little progression. Okay, so while you're in this position, one thing, instead of doing just the movement stretch, to activate these muscles is you can push into that chair with this foot and ankle, really trying to lengthen out, really trying to contract the musculature here by pushing that chair into the ground. And after you're done holding for 5 to 10 seconds, really relax and get that stretch back in that position. So it's kind of like a controlled post isometric relaxation, almost like a pails or rails, but we're just doing it in one position only, where we're pushing into the couch itself, and then after you relax that muscle and that contraction, then getting more length. You can do it in all variations too, where you're pushing and then go into frontal after, or you can push into the chair again, or go into transverse. Okay, so those are the different variations for the couch stretch. I hope that you use these. They are great after sitting in a chair all day long, or if you're at your house and doing nothing. Time to get up off the couch and put these to use. I'm Dr. Bird, and please reach out if you have any questions, and thank you.